Welcome to ZoomArt. Today we contemplate three incredible Haitian masterpieces. Clear your mind and let's explore every brushstroke together. Step into a lost tropical paradise. Painted in 1991 by Wilson Anacreon, this canvas is a masterpiece of Haitian native art. Notice the idyllic harmony between the farmers, the winding river, and the vibrant mountains. Anacreon uses pure, unmixed colors to capture a peaceful Caribbean rhythm that modern life has forgotten. Generals in ornate uniforms, revolutionary flags, and the birth of freedom. Painted by Jean-Baptiste, this historical canvas depicts the proclamation of Haitian independence on January 1, 1804. Look at the lower table where the official document lies, a proud visual testimony to the world's first independent Black Republic. Overflowing fruit market stalls and piercing, soulful eyes. This scene is created by Wilson Bigaud, one of Haiti's most legendary masters whose work reached the Museum of Modern Art in New York. Look closely at the exaggerated expressions. Bigaud captures the raw energy, warmth, and resilience of everyday Haitian market life.